So hello student, as I told you, I will upload this, that means more video regarding this BVM examinations. I appeared again. So this is Tushar from Genius Print Education, and first of all I will request all of you, please subscribe our channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this more information about this BVM examinations. So without wasting time, let's come to this point. So today in this video I am going to tell you how to see this BVM examination result, when to see this result and where to see this result. Okay, so you have to stay with us to see these things. Okay, so BVM examinations, as we know, already conducted in 29th and 30th date, that means November 2020, and all of you have submitted this examinations, and I will take another video about this question paper analysis, how it was questions and how much basically student answers. Most probably, as I saw, question papers was quite difficult as per this previous examinations, because in this sessions they actually conducted this online examination, and most probably for that reason they made this question paper some compared to this previous examinations. So, and I am sure all of you have made a good score in this examinations. Okay, so let's start. How to see this result? Okay, for seeing this result you have to do these things. Number one, here I am going to write this step by step. That means as per this given information what we got, it may change, but you have to see this way also. Okay, now first things, you have to go to BVM official website. Okay, official website. Website is what? Website is www.vvm.org.in. okay, I am sure you are seeing these things. Okay, so I will also write this website on the below of this comment sections. Okay, you can also see it here, www.vvm.org.in. okay, so these things is first you have to see this, that means you have to go to this official website, and then what you have to do, you have to search for this BVM 2020 result. You can also get these things, I think, on the dashboard. On the right corners of this website there is a dashboard. You can go this dashboard, and here below they are given this result. Okay, so in this result, that means you have to search here, that means you have to search on this dashboard. Okay, dashboard, you have to search this result on the dashboard that is given on the right corners of this website, and then you have to go to this whatever name is given there. I think it will be given as this PDF format, that will result in this PDF format. So you have to see this PDF. Okay, see, these are our expectation. It may change, but you have to see this step also. Okay, so it may, that means if they do not change this format, then I am sure this procedure would be the correct. Okay, so download this PDF. You have to download this PDF and see the result. So these are 4 important steps through which you can check the result. So I thought that these informations are very important for you, and for that result, that means for that reasons I appeared here by taking this video. Okay, so another important thing is that I already told in our previous video that why you have not that means able to upload this video regarding these things, and for that reason we are extremely sorry for that. I already told in our previous video. Okay, so you have to go through this way to check this result. Okay, so this is our first question, how to see the result. Okay, and next is when to see the result. See, this is very important. As per this date that we saw is 15th December. You have to keep in remember that 15th December is the date when you have to see the result. So for the 15th December you have to go to this official website www.bbm.org.in and see this result, okay, by seeing this 3 or 4 step. So see, you have to keep in remember that on the right corners of that website there is a dashboard, and if you click on this dashboard you will see these things, okay. And next question is when where to see this result. So this I already told you that it will be in the official website, that means on bbm.org.in. I'm sure you have already downloaded this that means app also, that is BBM examination app for giving this exam, and from here also you can that means go in this official website and get this that means check this result, okay. So I thought that these are very important information for you, and for that reason I appeared here, okay. So I will not extend this video. Next I will take another video for that means analysis, that is making the analysis of this question paper. How was it as per compared to this previous year examinations. So this is a very, I am sure this is a very important video also for you. So please take patience and continue with us for seeing this thing, okay. So today I will not extend this, and I will again request all of you to subscribe my channels and hit the bell icon to get these things, okay. And another important is that you have to follow in our, that means Instagram channels also. And next thing is that we will take different NCERT regarding solution, because when I saw that in our comment sections some of the persons request me that sir please upload this NCERT analysis also, that means that explanations also. So I will take these sessions also. Please, you have to write in the comment section, sir I want to take this NCERT explanations, then I will take this video also. You have not to take any private tuitions. You can easily get this whatever analysis, that means from class 6 to 10, that means from today, that means yet now. And I have already uploaded different videos also regarding these things in our another channels, but I will take these things also in our this channels, okay. So but for that reason you have to that means write on the comment section that you have to take these things, okay. So please write on the comment below, sir we want to take this NCERT solution, explanation, whatever you need, okay. And beside it you can also write that Lakshmi Singh explanations and another reference books also, okay. So write these things and enjoy this video. So today up to this, bye.